everyone, welcome to HUAWEI USG6000 Hardware Installation and Maintenance Multimedia course. In this course, we will learn how to replace one or two hard disks. The device supports the installation of a single hard disk or dual hard disks. The dual hard disks must be grouped into RAID 1. If a hard disk is faulty after operating for a period of time, you can replace it without powering the device off. If any of the preceding hard disk anomaly notifications is displayed, locate and analyze the anomaly immediately to prevent adverse impacts on log and report storage. If you confirm that a hard disk is faulty, replace it in a timely manner. Before replacement, you need to prepare tools. Understand these precautions. And process for replacing a hard disk unit. The operations differ in single hard disk and dual hard disk scenarios. If the operations are incorrect, the hard disk information may be incorrectly displayed. The operations in the dual hard disk scenario are described as an example. In this scenario, the operations are the same for replacing one hard disk or two hard disks at a time. Next, we'll show you how to replace hard disk. Run the save command to save configurations. In the system view, run the disk offline command. Wait for about 30 seconds. After the system indicates that the hard disk has stopped working, run the reset RAID command to delete the RAID. Press the button on the right of the hard disk tray to eject the handler. Use the handler to pull the faulty hard disk unit out of the slot. Push the new hard disk holder along the guide rails of the slot, till the front surface of the hard disk holder touches the panel. Put the ejector lever of the hard disk holder down. Wait for 1 minute, and run the reset RAID primary disk id command in the system view, to create a RAID group using disk id as the primary disk. After the new hard disk is inserted, the hard disk run indicator should be steady on. Run the display disk information command, to verify that file system status is unmounted and that disk RAID mode is activating. Wait for 4 to 5 hours after you start RAID creation, and run the display disk information command to verify that file system status is mounted and that disk RAID mode is active.